మనం ఎక్కువ బాధపడతాం. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి మరి సిల్లీ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఎవరిని ఎంచుకుందాం ఫస్ట్? సో లెట్ us start.
Students face with a smile.
What an answer! Super! Everyone is ready for your answer. Thank you. Lifeline.
Yeah, lifeline. Madam, we don't want lifeline.
Audience poll. Current. This was fantastic answer actually. Okay.
Not only makeup kit పోతే ఇంకా
So now boys are going to give the answer. Are you ready guys? Yes, ready. Then go and check. Any one of you. పోతే ఎక్కువ బాధపడతారు. ఓకే, బ్రేకప్ అయితే ఎక్కువ బాధపడతారంట. నేను బాయ్స్ అనిపించుకున్నారు కదండి గర్ల్స్. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఎనీ ఆన్సర్? నచ్చిన అమ్మాయి ఫంక్షన్ కి రాకపోతే బాధపడతారంట. ఎవరు నచ్చిన అమ్మాయి చెప్పలేదు. చెప్పగలరా? మన ముందుకు దేవుడు వచ్చారండి. మీకు ఏం వరం కావాలని కోరుకున్నారు? ఏం కోరుకుంటున్నారు?
2 కోట్లు దొరకాలని.
మీరైతే ఏం కోరుకుంటారో చెప్తారా? ఆర్ యు రెడీ?
నేనేం జరిగితే జరగాలని ఏది అనుకుంటే అది జరగాలని.
మనకి బాగా సిల్లీ ఆన్సర్స్ రావాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా బాయ్స్ అడగాల్సిందే. సో లెట్ us find out from them.
మనం చదవకుండానే ఫ్రీగా సర్టిఫికెట్లు రావాలి.
సూపర్.
మా జాగ్వార్ కవర్ రావాలని.
ఎంసీ పాస్ అవ్వాలని అంట. కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి.
ప్రపోజ్ చేయకుండానే అమ్మాయిలు లవ్ చేయాలి.
What an answer. ఇక్కడ ఒక అతను లవర్ తో పెళ్లి కావాలని కోరుకుంటాడంట.
ప్రతిరోజు కాలేజ్ హాలిడే కావాలి.
సూపర్ ఆన్సర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
మన మేకప్ చెడిపోకుండా ఉండాలి.
కావాలా? ఓకే, మరి మన ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఏం చెప్తారో చూద్దాం. దేవుడు కనుక ప్రత్యక్షం అయితే బాధలత మేడం మీరేం చెప్తారు? ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, మెహరీనిసా మేడం. ఓకే,
ఫ్యాన్ కావాలని కోరుకుంటా.
ఎవరు అక్కడ ఫ్యాన్ పెట్టండి అర్జెంట్గా ఇక్కడ. Okay, anyone are interested, you can say the answers. Interesting question for boys. క్లాస్ బోర్ కొడితే ఏం చేయాలనిపిస్తుందండి? అదే ఎలా చేయాలనిపిస్తుంది? బయటకు వెళ్ళాలనిపిస్తుందా? సినిమాకి వెళ్ళాలనిపిస్తుందా? ఎలా? స్కూటర్ ఆట ఆడుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతారా మీరు కూడా? క్లాస్ బోర్ కొడితే ఏం చేయాలనిపిస్తుంది?
Come on girls, please answer. No one is answering now.
అమ్మాయిలతో బాత కానీ కొట్టాలనిపిస్తుందంట. జియో సిమ్ వాడాలనిపిస్తుందంట. అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి FB యూస్ చేయాలని ఉందంట. It's any, come on, any answers? ఉండాలంటే స్టేజ్ మొత్తం అదిరిపోవాలి, అలా ఉండాలి. రెడీయా?
తరం మారినా తత్వం మారలా. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా బలుపు తగ్గించుకొని బతికితే 10 మందిలో పేరు ఉంటుంది. పద్ధతిగా బతికితే 10 ఏళ్ళు లైఫ్ ఉంటుంది. కాదు అడ్డంగా ఎదిగేస్తా, జనాల్ని తొక్కేస్తా, ఊరి మీదకి ఎక్కేస్తా, కొవ్వు బలిసి తలకరేస్తే
వాడు బుడ్డాడు బుడ్డాడు అంటే గుడ్డలోడ తీసి కొడతా. అలా పిలవాలంటే నా అభిమానం ఉండాలి.
బాయ్స్ చాలా హాట్ గా ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్తున్నారు. గర్ల్స్ కూల్ గా చెప్పారంట. విందాం వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి కూడా. కొన్ని నమ్మాలి కదా డ్యూడ్. Any answers? Come on, make it silly answers. అది కూడా చెప్పలేదా? Come on. రే ఆపుతావా? సిగ్గులేని ఎదవా? సమంత అలా చెప్పింది మా పాప. స్వప్న అక్క హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Divya. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many more.
इससे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं, हो हैरान हूँ मैं। तेरे मासूम सवाल से परेशान हूँ मैं, हाँ परेशान हूँ मैं। जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं दर्द संभालने होंगे। मुस्कुराए जो मुस्कुराने के आधे ढालने होंगे। मुस्कुराओ कभी जो लगता है जैसे कोई तो उसे लगा है।
Okay, thank you. Next girls. Divya will continue.
ఏడడుగు లేస్తాడా? 6 అడుగులు ఉంటాడా? 7 అడుగులు లేస్తాడా? ఏమంటే వచ్చేవాడా? ఆశ పెడుతుంటాడా? అందరికీ నచ్చేసేవాడా?
Okay, now it's time for boys.
ఏ కన్ను ఎప్పుడో కలవని పుస్తకమై వీరు కదిలేస్తున్నారా నన్నంగా ఒకరిని ఇంకొకరు.
చాలా సిగ్గుపడుతూ పాడింది.
కడవ మీద కడవ పెట్టి కదిలితే నమ్మా, కడవ మీద కడవ పెట్టి కదిలితే
ఆటగాళ్ళు పాటగాళ్ళు అడుపు లేని వస్తారా
బావలు సయ్యా బావలు సయ్యా రింబోలా 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 పదహారు ప్రాయములో నాకొక గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ కావాలి నేటి సరికొత్త జాజి పువ్వల్లే నాకొక గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ కావాలి వెబ్సైట్కి వెళ్ళి ప్రొఫైల్ రచి ఈమెయిల్ అసుకే కొట్టాలి చెమట పడితే పడలు తడిస్తే ముఖముతో చూడవాలి నాకు కావాలిరా
అసలేంటిలా ఇది నేను అనుకోని
నమ్మిన వారికి చూపెడుతుంది నరకాన్ని అన్నయ్య అంటూ పిలిచి నీ గొంతును కోసేస్తుంది అన్నయ్య అంటూ ఆపై నీ గొంతును కోసేస్తుంది మరి ఆడాళ్ళు హింసావాదులు
ఏంటి గర్ల్స్ బాయ్స్ అందరినీ
ముంచేసిపోతారే వీళ్ళు కూడా ఇంతే
చీకటమ్మ చీకటే కాలైన చీకటే వెచ్చనైన ఊసులెందు రెచ్చగొట్టు చీకటి నిన్ను నన్ను రమ్మంది కన్ను కొట్టి చీకటి ఇద్దరికే ఒదిగైన చీకటి పొడుపే లేని చీకటే ఉనిపోని మధ్య రాని ఏక లోకాన్ని నిద్రోని రమశిలక చీకటే నాకున్న మామిడి తోటకే నాకున్న మామిడి పిల్లగున్న మామిడి తోటకే నూరావే సంధ్య మనం కలుసుకునే చోటుకి రోజు ఆడుకునే ఆటకే రావాలనే ఉంది బాబా ఆటకే అరే ముట్టుకుంటే ముడుచుకుంటావు అంత సిగ్గా మబ్బే నిదరు ఇందిలే మంచి చోటే మంచి చోటే మంచి చోటే
బాగానే ఉంటున్నాను నేను కలిసిన నిన్నటి నుండి నేనే ఎవరన్నాను ఏదో ఏం జరిగిందంటూ తెలుసుకుని పెట్టేసింది మనసు అదేతో అనాలని ఉన్నాగాని అనేదలా అర్థమైందా అర్థమైందా చుట్టేసిందిరో తీగలా పట్టేసిందిరో సుందరే
all chief guests, Chairman Sir, Principal Sir of Jagan's College of Pharmacy and Chavans College of Pharmacy, staff members, juniors and my dear friends. This is Kumuda along with my friend Abhi. Welcome you all for this beautiful event.
Every right path we choose. It's a day of recalling together a lot of touching stories we had experienced in the lag of 1 week. It is a time to invite
In this special occasion, let us know a small information about our profession, pharmacy. So pharmacy is the health profession that links the health science with the chemical sciences, and it is charged of ensuring the safe and effective use of pharmaceutical drugs. It is a science and technique of preparing and dispensing of drugs. The scope of pharmacy practice include more traditional roles such as compounding and dispensing medications, and it also includes more modern services related to healthcare, including clinical services, medication for safety and efficiency of the people. So pharmacists therefore are the experts on drug therapy and are the primary health professions who optimize the use of medication for the benefit of the patients.
now. It is the time to invite our respected Madhusudan Reddy Sir, Chairman of Jagan's and S. Chavans College of Pharmacy, to please come on to the dais and occupy the valued seat. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request Dr. P. Venkatesh Sir, Principal of Jagan's College of Pharmacy, to please come on to the dais and take the valuable.
Now I welcome Prasanna Kumar Sir, Principal of S. Chavans College of Pharmacy, to come on to the dais. Now we will have our traditional auspicious light lampening as tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddesses of knowledge. I invite our admirable Chairman Sir, Principal Sirs of Jagan's College of Pharmacy and Chavans, and Mamata Madam to please kindle the lamp.
I request everyone to please stand up once again. As now I would like to welcome Keetana from Farm D third year to perform Ganesh Vandana.
गणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितमहागणपतिं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहानुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मोषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिम्. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Principal of Jagan's College of Pharmacy, S. Chavan Principal, and Director of Jagan's Group of Institutions, and students. Actually, I would like to know, before I speak something, the audience feedback. Feedback doesn't mean that the classwork and all these things, about the function and all, the activity that what you are conducting. I would like to know before that, but every time your people are inviting me before getting that information and asking me to speak something about this function. Okay, no problem. But anyway, I feel somewhat a bit problem when I saw this, when I came here and saw this function, the way you are conducting, because my part is missing here. My part means because I am unable to provide you such a big auditorium to conduct the programs like this in such a big way. Anyway, without our support, you people have arranged this function, has been conducting this program in such a colorful manner. I want to thank you all people who behind this program and conducting this in such a big manner. I promise you that before next academic year, you people are going to conduct this program, the Pharmacy Week and Pharma Week program. I promise you that I will provide a 250 seated AC not auditorium hall, that seminar hall. Usually from our side we need to provide for 120 people to sit in one seminar hall to conduct regular academic seminars. Therefore, I may not be in a position to provide you the auditorium in which 500 people at a time can gather and conduct the programs like this. It may not be possible for me for next academic year to provide such a facility. But I assure you that with minimum 250 capacity, with AC facility, definitely I am going to provide one big seminar hall before next Pharma Week celebrations. Anyway, yes, I would like to think, I would like to behave always, I would like to look at the things always high. My aim always will be high. Whatever the activity, whatever the task I take up, I would like to see the top. Because our nature, our mind should be always having such aims, to be always to reach the top. If you see this environment, how much efforts you might have taken to dream this type of environment. Therefore, such a quality thinking should be there. Whatever the activity, be it academics or be it your personal life or professional life, we should be always colorful and meaningful. Colorful means doesn't mean to attract somebody for nothing. To attract somebody for nothing will have no meaning in the end. It should have the meaning. It should have the purpose. The purpose should be served in the end with such a high attitude that we can observe with this stage and with this colorful arrangement. Therefore, such a type of attitude should be continued. If possible, we need to upgrade. We need to think more high. Whenever you get such a high ideas, you people with your abilities and competencies will try for more every time. Wherever you are doesn't matter. Whatever you are doing today is not be a matter. And what it should be in the end, for that what steps you have been taking, that is very, very important. Therefore, such a type of attitude and mentality should be cultivated in the student mind and in the administrative mind also. What we are providing today, we should not be content with such things. Always we should be able to think much more than what we have today. Therefore, in this regard, Monday, I would like to tell you that Monday we are going to decide the campus environment, because I have given the task to 2 to 3 architects of the famous architects of college buildings. Monday they are going to produce and provide one basic plan of the total campus, keeping in view to provide a separate facility for Form D people and to give more spacious library, especially, not laboratories, because as per norms of AICTE and PCI, we have got physically exact number of laboratories. Only thing what I am somewhat disappointed is the library. Even though it is sufficient enough as per the norms of AICTE, but I don't feel that when I enter into the library, it is not giving that much of comfort and that much of sense. That's why I wanted to construct one more library with double the seating capacity, with double space. This academic year, it is going to be started within a short span of time, I think within 15 to 20 days time. And library and seminar hall and separate classroom tutorial facility for Form D people. That's what I have been thinking. Last year itself, I might have told you that it is not materialized till today, but this academic year it is, I assure you that I am going to provide all such things for you. I don't want to just restrict myself to provide just the infrastructural facilities what is required for a student to take off very smoothly. I wanted to be with the academics also. Academics means that I don't want to involve in the academics straight away, but I wanted to monitor the academics, because the maximum satisfaction will be getting from that work only, not by providing just infrastructural facilities and all these things. In the end, the student and the faculty even will be benefited with such type of activity. Therefore, I have been requesting both the colleges principal from the long time to have a specific plan for each and every semester, to have a specific plan. Specific plan means micro schedules also should be organized. We need to maintain the micro schedules before commencement of the semester itself. By keeping all the activities which will benefit to that particular semester, while devising the plans, while making the plans for a particular semester, we need to look at the syllabus. We need to look at the subjects and analyze the relevance of the subjects for keeping in the first one or second one or third one or fourth one or 4-2 or 4-3, 3-2, like that. For each semester there is some relevance keeping that particular subjects in that particular semester. We need to understand. According to that, we need to plan the activities not for the activity purpose. It will serve the purpose in the end. It will have the sense in the end. Therefore, such type of activities has to be planned. All those things to be organized in such a way by making them in a schedules, and see that all the schedules should be implemented in a concise way by keeping them in the timetables. For that, lot of homework is required. That is with the system only. not by anyone. We cannot assure any system to develop. It is the only systematic approach which will keep the system alive. Not the only principal, not the concerned faculty member can do all the things. We need to plan all these activities and keep in schedules and make them fit into the timetable through which we can maintain all these standards. Therefore, standards will not come from only the person or from environment or from any culture. Therefore, to utilize all these tools, we should have such a system. Therefore, to develop such a system, it is very much required to put everybody's homework behind it, and accordingly we need to act. You know, after all the faculty members may be teaching you regarding different concepts. In the end, you are the person who has to learn all those things on your own, without analyzing on your own, without enjoying with that work and the concept. By looking into the concept, you will be getting the taste. Without that, you will not be able to get the maximum satisfaction. That is nothing but standards. Therefore, to maintain all such standards, it is required a systematic approach for any institution, for any student even. Individually, if you need to explore yourself, if you need to maintain the standards, if you need to excel yourself, you need to maintain such schedules. Personally also, as we wanted to implement all these schedules for the college, we are expecting you to make the schedules personally and implement that, so that in the end, after 4 years, after B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy or PharmD, you will be getting such a standards. Therefore, I request, nowadays if you see, some people are thinking, if we have a decent communication skills in English language, why I am particular about telling this means, you should understand in the end. If somebody speaks in English fluently or meaningfully or reasonably, thinking that these people are most eligible for any core job or any jobs like that, some people are thinking. That is not true. That is not true. Whatever the language, it is required for you to communicate your feelings to others. That is nothing but market to whom you want to give the services. Maybe that language may be the English, language may be the Telugu, language may be the Tamil. If you don't have the concept, if you don't have the content in your mind, what to speak, then these language skills will never help you. Language skills are must to inform somebody, to communicate somebody or convince somebody. But without lack of content, nothing is there to communicate. Therefore, you people should understand how core knowledge will help in your career. Therefore, always you should think about the concept and the content, the clarity of the content that what you have been learning. For that, you people should follow very carefully and keenly the subjects what you have got at different semesters. Therefore, try to integrate all these subjects and try to get some concise idea about your total 4 years subject. Therefore, such a way we need to continue our studies. In this process, from the management side, I have told to your principal and make the plans accordingly, and we will be with you, and we will always be with the. We wanted to follow the student track. That's why in the last meeting 15 days ago we conducted with our principal and other people. This time onwards, better to have the students. Better to have the students also as a part of our academic committees, so that they will come to know what our ideas exactly are. Then they will be suggesting from their side what difficulties they have been facing. With such a feedback, we can make a very good plan which can be implemented with the support of all the students. If the students in the end doesn't know for what purpose these people are making this event, And for what purpose these people are conducting this seminar and workshop and all these things? Nothing will happen. Not for to document only, to show somebody, to get some certificates from other agencies through which to get some certificates for the college. In the end, the quality is always, I wanted to measure the quality in terms of the standards that we maintain, in terms of the standards that students follow, not in terms of the pass and fail and certificates that what you produce and we produce together. Therefore, in the process of making this institution as a standard one, we look forward and we are expecting your participation and support. Participation and support. Therefore, you need to understand every policy's purpose, how much work we have done before starting to implement such activities. Therefore, as in her inaugural speech, she was telling to you about the pharmacy field. And you are all going to be settled in healthcare system. Therefore, you must maintain not only the core knowledge and discipline and maintain that personality, which is very, very important for healthcare people to understand others in a positive manner. Therefore, in order to improve all such standards and to maintain such standards in this college, I request all the teaching staff under the guidance of your principal and under the guidance of their HODs to evolve a very good plan which suits and cater to the needs of the students. Then we always be with you in providing such facilities and supporting you in your activities. Thereby we can improve the standards and we can make this college as a learning system rather than just producing the certificates in the form of pass and fail. I hope all you understand and think vertically about the work what you have been doing and try to upgrade yourself and think always high and aim at always high.
I'd like to invite our respected principal sir, the sculptor of hard working, to deliver a few words.
One and all. On behalf of teaching and non-teaching staffs and our students, I welcome Mr. Madhusudan Reddy sir and Mrs. Mamata madam, and Dr. Prasanna Kumar sir, and the faculty of S7 College of Pharmacy and S7 College of Computer Applications for the Pharma Pinnacle 2017. This Jagan's College of Pharmacy is just not for uploading the contents what is there in the theory and practical syllabus on your mind. Then what for we are? We are the base to make you as an ointment. We are the solvents to extract the active constituent from you. We are the stationary paste to isolate and identify your talents. We are the stimulants to activate your central nervous system. Then this Jagan's College of Pharmacy is a surface. On that, your faculty members are the catalysts. So, you are the reactants. You are all the reactants. If you stick on that surface for the sufficient time, it means some minimum required times are there. If you stick on that surface for the sufficient time, then you will get reacted and the product will be released. That is, a complete product will be released. If you are not sticking on that, if it is insufficient time, then what will be released? Anyway, you are going to be released from the surface, as what you will be released as an incomplete product, or if that required time or very less time only provided by you as the reactant itself, it means as such what first you came here will be released. So in the market, that final product will be useful directly as such, then the remaining will be rejected because it is no use. I hope you are understanding what I mean. Okay. Then this Pharma Pinnacle 2017. So actually we started on 18 for conducting some events. 6 days we conducted various events and so many students participated in that. Then today we are conducting a valedictory function. In 6 days and on today, so many irregular students and students those who are not at all present for a single class also participated, I think. So the reason why for these 6 days and on today you are participating here and you are present here, it means you are enjoying this, you are having interest on this, that's why you are here for these days. Like that, so we called it as a Pharma week. Like that we will make it as a Pharma month. Later we will make it as a Pharma semester, then as a Pharma year. So it means all the days we can't conduct the events like this. So whatever we are conducting on those days, you get an interest on that and you be present on all those days. If you create such an interest, if you enjoy with your subjects also, it means in your theory class and as well as your lab, if you really enjoy that, then you can consider this as a Pharma year. All those days you can present here. So I am expecting that let us start this as a first day of the Pharma year. So let us directly start the Pharma year, not as a month or not as a semester. Okay. Then in academics, so our students participated and presented a poster in various seminars in various colleges, and one of the students in 4th year Form D got a best poster award. Then in GPAT, one of our final year B Pharmacy students qualified. Then still we are taking a necessary steps and all the initiations, not only for participating in other colleges, to conduct a national level seminar initially and later as international level seminars or conferences in our campus itself, to allow other college delegates or from industry and from abroad to participate in our college to present a poster, seminar and lecture everything in our campus itself. So soon it will be conducted in our campus itself. Then I congratulate all our faculty members, those who are behind such an achievement. It means like a poster presentation also, some faculty members helped for the students and also for participation also they encouraged, and faculty members also participated. I congratulate and I wish all the staffs also, those who are behind that achievement. Then as a pharmacist, actually what we are, so we are almost or some percentage equal to some other graduates like chemistry graduates, then physics, botany, zoology, management subjects, maths, statistics, engineering subjects. So as per our syllabus, so we are all almost or some percentage equal to all these graduates. but in our undergraduate level, we are incomplete in all these areas. We are not fulfilled. Then under PG level, we are getting specialized in some particular branch. So after that, to achieve the goal, it means after your course, to achieve your goal, as per our program name, Pharma Pinnacle, the pinnacle, one of the meaning, the highest point. So to achieve that highest point in your field, wherever you are, after your course, I wish all of you, thank you.
Thank you.
Respected Madam and Principal Sir of Jagans College, teachers in front of me, and dear students. First of all, I extend my thanks those who have arranged the function in a better way. Thanks for arranging this type of function. Although in other colleges, February month is normally the time for arranging annual fest. I will not speak more. One thing I will tell the students, though you complain maximum time these things are not there, teachers are not there, classes are not conducted properly, but mine. So first, study, regarding study, you take it as a mission and you develop today which should be better than yesterday. And if a particular student who is not good in study also, if he do it as a mission, he will achieve better than the average student. And regarding scenario of pharmaceutical field, all over the world, every country is looking to India, because India can give the pool of skilled persons, pharmaceutical skilled person. What is skill? Whatever a small thing you are doing, if you do it properly and as an expert, then it is the skill. So if a small experiment also you are doing, you will be quality control and other things also. This require the skill, not your qualification. All are qualified only, but who are skilled, that is they test, and during recruitment also they point out the skilled persons and take them. The companies are also producing the medicaments which are not of standard, and many institutions who are conducting bioequivalence study and other studies, they are also pointing out that these are not up to standard. So though we do not contribute directly in this industry area, but in academic field we are contributing, and we have responsible role in these things. Not the teachers are not for only teachers, students are also responsible for producing quality products, because you are the products and we are the facilitator. So you develop yourself so that quality products will be produced. Thank you.
మరియు